Hello everybody. A lot of people have been asking us how to clean the machine. We have made it as easy as possible, made every effort to make sure that as little time as possible was required to clean the machine. So we're going to start off with the bit that mainly hits the mushrooms. So you've got the cups. We can take off these cups and we could clean them that way. So I could actually go around and wipe them. But what we have now is find is the quickest and fastest way is we pull out the arm. And we would power hose it down here and then power hose the back of it. And that there cleans it off. On this machine that I've got here, this doesn't come off at the minute, but on the newer versions this will lift off. This obviously lifts off as well, I'll show you. And what we normally would do is put these other parts into the bin, and we find it very quick to close it down, to hose it down. So to take these off, pull this out. We would take that off and we would obviously put the bin and throw all the equipment into the bin and pressure wash it down. We've also found that if you open the bottom of the bin, when you're pressure washing it down, you don't need a bath afterwards. Everything doesn't skate up. So we'll put this back on again. We have large shelf area around here. We would use some wipes or one of these to rub around the denester. You understand that we can take the denester off, pulling out the cable, taking this off if we do require that. With regard to the cleaning the belts, we have reduced these to cords rather than belts. We found it's an awful lot easier to clean. It requires nearly no cleaning at all because the surface area for the dirt to fall on is just down to a small percentage of what it was before. But we can go into the control panel and set this to go forward or back, and then we can put our sponge or our wipe on it so that it'll actually clean itself. We've also got one other small part needs to be looked at is the suckers. Now we can press a button and it'll come out here and I can take the suckers off. Yeah. Normally we would have spare suckers in the machine, and we have ordered orangey coloured suckers so that they'll be a lot more distinguishable or easy to see if one falls off. So you normally just swap them around, put the suckers back on again. It only takes minutes. The other part of the machine that does require to be cleaned is the blade at the back. So I bring the machine round. You notice the blade is very sharp at the back. There's a door on here, so we take the door off. There's interlocking switches on it that basically means it will bring up a warning at the front if the door is opened and also if the bin is removed. So I lift the blade up. There is no tools involved. I've got my blade. I'll wipe it down. And if I put it back in again, if I put it in the wrong way, it will go down too far. But if I turn it half a turn, it sits in the right place. The reason for that is we're going to use for double cutting the stalks at a later stage with a different blade, or to enable us to use a variable blade. Disease control is very, very important, and we use the spore kill spot, which is an ethanol based solution from Nutrigrain. So we would spray it round the areas in order to make sure the disease is not contained on the machine. It actually forms a layer, so it actually gives protection over a longer range of time. In a few minutes, the machine is dry. So that will kill any disease. It doesn't affect anything else that you've got. I hope that's been helpful to you. Thank you very much for your time.